Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In this video, we will discuss a very important rule in mathematics that is called BODMAS, BODMAS, and this rule is considered as one of the foundation of mathematics because it tells us the correct order in which mathematical operations should be performed. And if I go a little bit back to my education career, like for me, I would say in 2005, like in my, I would say class 5th or 6th standard, I have came to know about this topic BODMAS, and there from my side in NCRT during this 2005 year, I have studied about BODMAS and all, and I also hope you all have studied about it. No worries, let me tell you one thing. If you still face any issue in this, I am there to help you out, and I will talk about this topic in theoretical part, practical part, plus we will see the use of this topic in our data domain. Data domain matlab data analytics, in data engineering and data science. Everywhere this is used because everywhere maths is required, and wherever basic maths to high level maths is required, this rules comes into picture. Let me tell you that. So let us first talk about the theoretical part of BODMAS, what it is all about, what is the full form. To be honest, there's a full form in this, and how this thing or this rules or this is a kind of order of execution, to be honest, in mathematical terms, help us to find the correct answer. So first thing first, what is BODMAS? BODMAS is a rule that defines the order of operation in mathematics. Let me write it in this thing. What is BODMAS? So BODMAS is what is a rule that is used, or I would say that defines the order of operations in mathematics, that defines the kind of, I would say, order of operations, or I would say mathematical expressions. ठीक है, order of operations or mathematical expressions to give correct answer. ठीक है, to give correct output, right? Correct output. So in this line, what we have understood, it is like rule, proper rule, and it's a kind of order. ठीक है, so let us go to the what we say basics of the basics part. Let me write here BODMAS, BODMAS. So like example, I'm saying in SQL what we have order of execution, right? There's order of execution in SQL. Same thing in maths, there is also a order of execution. So this is what order of execution in maths all about. So first is B, then you have to go to O, then D, then M, A, S. Right now you might be thinking what it is all about, like BODMS, what it is all about. Let me right now tell you about the full form, and each and everything will be clear then and there. Let us go to the full form first. So let us go to the first letter, that is B. What is B? B is brackets, right? Brackets is the first order of execution. How this will work, we will check in the example. What is O? O is what? Order. Order matlab ki like square, cube, like that kind of thing. I mean, example, I'm saying if there is any term like this, 2 to the power of 3, like that. Okay? D. D is what? Division. ठीक है, then M is what? Multiplication. ठीक है, then A is what? addition, right? Then S is what? Subtraction, right? S is what? Subtraction. So this is what it is all about. If in a mathematical expression, like example I am saying, suppose this is the mathematical expression, this is the basics mathematical expression, and let us solve this thing without using BODMAS, right? Without BODMAS, let's solve this and let's see with will we get the correct answer. Let's check. So first thing first, it's like 5 plus 2. Let's do it. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 6 7 into 3, 21. Okay. Let's see in the calculator first, like is it the correct answer? Calculator, and let's see what's the thing. 5 plus 2 into 3. 5 plus 2 into 3. Oh, it's 11. So 11 is the correct answer. But how can we get 11? Let's check it out here. 5 plus 2 into 3. But this time we are using this BODMAS rules. Okay? Simple as it is. In BODMAS, let me write it here in a clear way. First is what? Bracket. Is there any bracket in this expression? No. Just cross it. Then O. Is there any order like cube, square kind of? No, it's not there. Is there any division here? No, no division. There is nothing. Is there any multiplication here? Okay, so there is one multiplication here. Take this one. So let's write 1 here, as this is the first order of execution. So what will be the output? First we will do this expression. So 3 into 2, 6. Here plus and here 5. Okay? Here done. Is there any addition? Yes, there is an addition. Then let's write 2 here because second order of execution. So what's the answer? 5 plus 6 is what? 11. Then let's complete this. Is there any subtraction here? No, we have got the output. So no subtraction. This is how we have received the correct output, right? And you can see in the calculator as well, this is actually the correct answer, 11, and this is how we received it with BODMAS rules and regulation. If we do not follow this BODMAS rules, this kind of incorrect answer will be there in the output. And let me tell you one of the most important thing, each and every programming language you talk about like Python or each and everywhere in the world, like you see in calculator, sorry for the spelling mistake, in calculator, in Python, in C++, Java, whatever programming language you say, whatever programming language is made till date, each and everything follows some rules and regulation, and this is a kind of mathematical rules and regulation which is followed by each and every programming language in the backend, right? You have seen how it is done. We will do the same thing right now in what we say Python environment. This is the thing, and this is what we have received right now. What I will do, what we can see, there are 3 columns here, like A, B and C are 3 columns here. Right now what we will do, we will create a new column named result, and this is how we create a column. Just write the data frame name. I want to add a column here, so I'm writing the data frame name here, the name of the column equal to, and after equal I will give a expression. What I want the same thing, A plus B into C. Okay, let's see what output do we get. So how I will say to Python, like do A plus B, take the column A, then do a addition in column B. So to represent a column, how do we write? df A like this, then plus df B, right? This is how it is done. This is how you represent column in Python, simple. And then we will go for the C column. We will do multiplication like we have done here. A plus B, like plus and multiplication. Okay? We will do multiplication and we will write C like this and execute it. There is no error. So let's see the output. See, this is what the output is. A, B, C and result. And let's check this out. Is this following the BODMAS rule? So M is first, as we can see. M is first here. So multiplication will be on the first order of execution. So 2 into 5 is 10. So 10 is the answer. Then column A is there with the addition. So 10 plus 10, 20. Same thing goes here. 6 into 3, 18 plus 20, 38. 4 into 7, 28 plus 30, 58. 8, 5, 40 plus 40, 80. Right now, let's add something with brackets, right? And let me talk here how brackets work here. Okay. Suppose if I write like this, same question, 5 plus 2 into 3, but with a bracket. So what will be the output? And here I am using BODMAS rules and regulations. So let's check, is there any bracket? Okay, there is a bracket. So first order of execution. So inside bracket, whatever expression will be there, this thing will be carried out first. So 5 plus 2 क्या है? 7. ठीक है? Then into 3. Once each and every operation is done, just remove the bracket, no worries about it. Like once you receive a single digit after that. Then it is O is order, like if any square, cube, no, nothing. Any division, no, nothing. Any multiplication, yes, that's a multiplication. So second order of execution. 7 into 3, 21, right? Let's see, as it is the final answer, we should not check this, but still no addition, no subtraction. So this is what order of execution means. And let's check the same thing here. 5 plus 2 into 3. Okay, this is what we have done. 5 plus 2 into 3. Now let's execute it. 21. So answer is correct. Okay, this is the correct answer. Same thing we will do here, right? So what I will do, df results. Okay, so acha, it was result, sorry for this. So it's the result. Right now what I will do, we will give the bracket first. We will write df A, column A, I mean to say, plus df column B, then into df C, right? That's the thing. Let's execute it. No error. Now let's see what's there in the output. Right now you see the output is changed, although we have done the same kind of expression here with brackets and all. Okay, what's the output right now? First is bracket, so first A and B will be added. So 10 plus 2, 12. 12 into 5, 60. Same thing goes for this. 23 into 6, 6, 3, 18, 6 to the 12 plus 1, because 1 carry, 138. 30 plus 4, 34 into 7, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28, 2 carry, 7 3 are 21, so 238, right? Same thing for this. 5 plus 40 or 40 plus 5 is 45 into 8. 45 into 8 is 8, 5 40, 8 4 32 plus 4, 3 4 6, sorry, क्या था यार, 45, right? Let me do it here. Seriously, 40 plus 5, 45 into 8, 8 5 40, 32 plus 4, 360, right? 360, right? So this is how you can see, like we haven't told anything to Python to follow the rules, follow this, that, any BODMAS rules have we told? No, we have just given the expression. And see how properly this Python environment have used this BODMAS rules and give us the output. So before closing the video, let me say one thing is, like, you go for data analysis, you go for data engineering, you go for data science, wherever maths is required, wherever there, this BODMAS rules will be applied as well. So if you got any, I would say, any value from this video, click on the like button. If you want to ask any questions from this topic or from any other topic from SQL, Python or Power BI, you can ask your doubts in the live stream which we do each and every day free of cost in YouTube. So how you will get the notification? You will get the notification just by clicking on the bell icon. Subscribe with the bell icon, you will get the notification. And for asking questions in the live stream, no money is required. It is free of cost, no money, no membership. Just join my live stream, ask me doubt. I will personally help you out with the help of SQL environment, Python environment. I mean, whatever doubt. Suppose you are having SQL doubt. So SQL, I will use PostGRE SQL. If you are like having a Python doubt, so we will use this Jupyter notebook, and also we will use this whiteboard to clear your doubts as well. We will create notes, whatever doubts you have, we will clear it out. And also if you know someone who is learning, I mean who want to switch their domain to data domain and want to brush up their knowledge in maths, or wants to just know what topics are required in maths and also brush up their knowledge, please share this video to them. It will be really helpful. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning and happy querying.